Hi, hello, and welcome to BK'sTechStack. I am BK. Today, we are going to learn about Welcome to Agentic AI Frameworks.
Hello everyone, I'm BK from BK'sTechStack. Today we are exploring Agentic AI frameworks. Instead of just asking a question and getting a simple answer, imagine AI agents that can actually perform complex tasks for you. These frameworks allow us to create teams of AI agents that plan, communicate, and solve problems together, making automation much more powerful and efficient.
So what exactly is AutoGen? It is an open-source framework designed to develop and coordinate AI agents. Think of it as a conductor for an orchestra. Each agent has a specific job, and AutoGen manages their conversation so they can solve complex problems efficiently, whether through autonomous workflows or with a human providing guidance.
Let's dive into some practical steps. First, you need to install the AutoGen library. Simply open your terminal and run pip install AutoGen. This will download the necessary tools to start building your agentic system. It is a straightforward process that gets you ready to start coding your first agents.
Now, let's write our first bit of code. We import the assistant agent from the AutoGen library. Here, we create an instance named Coder Agent. This agent is configured to use an LLM, like GPT-4, to handle logic and reasoning. This is the core engine that will perform the tasks we assign it.
Behind every good AI is a human in the loop. We use the user agent to act as our representative. By setting human input mode to always, we ensure that the agent pauses to check with us before taking significant actions like executing code. This keeps our automation safe and transparent.
One of the most important upgrades you can make is adding memory. Without memory, an agent is like a blank slate every single time. By enabling context awareness, the agent remembers previous parts of the conversation, which is critical for things like IT help desk support, where it needs to know what was tried before.
Why use multi-agent systems over a single agent? A single agent can easily get overwhelmed by complex multi-part requests. In a multi-agent system, we can assign specific roles, like a diagnostic agent for troubleshooting and a resolution agent for fixing, allowing for parallel work and better overall accuracy.
To improve performance, we can force our agents to think step by step. By providing a system message that explicitly tells the agent to first identify the issue, then propose a solution, we implement a simple multi-step reasoning process. This structure helps minimize hallucinations and improves the quality of the final output significantly.
Not all tasks require the same personality or intelligence. We can customize agents to suit the job. For instance, a financial agent should be formal and cautious, whereas a customer support bot might be friendly. We can even switch models dynamically, using a smaller, faster model for simple questions and a high-end model for complex troubleshooting.
Collaboration is where the magic happens. We can set up a group chat where different agents work together. Here we have a user, a coder, and a critic. The coder proposes a solution, and the critic reviews it for errors. They exchange these messages until they reach an accurate result, without the human having to intervene constantly.
Effective delegation is key to scalability. When a complex query comes in, a manager agent can assess which specialized agent is best suited to handle it. If we have multiple independent parts, like researching a topic and checking compliance, we can run these in parallel to drastically improve the speed of our resolution. An agent that can't look at the world is limited. We can register functions for our agents to call. For example, we can register a function that fetches current stock prices. The agent can then automatically decide to call this tool whenever a user asks for financial data, making it truly proactive and useful. When things get very complicated, we can integrate AutoGen with LangGraph. While AutoGen is great for agent conversation, LangGraph lets us draw a strict map of how the process should move from step to step, like a flowchart. This is perfect for production systems where you need predictable, repeatable, and observable outcomes.
Finally, let's run our integrated system. When we launch our main script, watch the logs. You will see the agents talking to each other, identifying issues, validating their work, and resolving the task. It's truly powerful to see the system complete a goal without us needing to manually drive every step of the way.
To wrap things up, remember these 3 tips. Keep your agent specialized, always keep a human in the loop for critical tasks, and invest in memory. These best practices will help you build Agentic AI systems that are reliable, scalable, and genuinely helpful for your users. Thank you for joining me today at BK'sTechStack.
Congratulations, you just learned presentation topic. Now it's your turn to apply these skills. Drop a comment below and let me know what you're building. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe to BK'sTechStack for more weekly tutorials, and share this with someone who needs it. Visit www.BK'sTechStack.com for free resources, exclusive tips, and our community. Next video, we're diving deeper. Don't miss it.